Hey guys, good morning. God bless you. How you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope your family is well. Guys, I'm here in my kitchen, cleaning my kitchen, right? And I'm looking at the Ten Commandments, and the Ten Commandments teach us how to live our lives and what to do and what not to do. You know, the first one it said, "You shall have no other God before me." The second one it said, "Do not make or worship any idol." And the third one tell you, "Do not take the Lord name in vain." And the fourth one said, "Remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy." The fifth one is so important, guys. It is so important. It said, "Honor your father and your mother." Honor your father and your mother. No matter what your father and your mother do, you have to honor them, forgive them, because the Bible tell you that. I know sometimes, guys, when we're parents not in our life, some of us, if your parents not in your life, when you was growing up, it's very hard to honor them. But don't worry about them. Worry about the Most High God. Worry about Him, because His word is a roadmap to our life. So no matter what your parents do, we still have to love them. We still have to honor them, because we have to follow the word of God. We still have to follow the word of God. Some of us been through a lot in our life when it comes to our parents. Is what some of us, our parents wasn't there. We need them the most, as well our father or our mother, wasn't there. And it's very hard for, some of us for forgive them, but we have to learn to forgive, because this I'm going to tell you. If you do not forgive your parents or anybody, God will not forgive you. You cannot go to God and ask for forgiveness. No, you cannot. One thing for sure, guys, forgiveness is so hard. It is so hard. But when you're serving the Most High God, it is personal. It is personal, and we need to let it go. No matter who hurt us, or, we just need to let it go. We need to let it go and to forgive them, you know. So honor your mother is very important, guys. No matter what she does to you, no matter, what your father did to you, forgive him, because in the long run it's gonna benefit you. God gonna say, "Yes, my daughter, yes, my son, I am pleased with you." And that's what you want the Lord to say about you. "I am pleased with you." So the Ten Commandments is a roadmap to our lives. I'm learning how to forgive. I'm learning how to let it go. I am learning how to give it to God. I'm learning. So I'm saying me too. I'm not just saying you that I'm encouraged. I'm saying myself. Because when you're encouraging somebody, make sure you have to pick the bean out of your eyes, so that me you can see clearly to pick it out of somebody else's eyes, right? So we have to learn to forgive. I know it's not easy. When you have people in your heart, it take a toll of on you. But when you release them, you feel much better. So I encourage you today, guys. It's whether your father, your mother, your sister, your brother, your niece, your nephew, your friends, your friend. If you have somebody in your heart, release them out your heart. I'm not telling you that you have to call them every day. I'm not telling you that you have to have a relationship with them. I'm telling you to let them go. I'm telling you to release them out your heart, and you're going to feel better. It's going to benefit you. That's what I'm telling you.